Hi, friends. I'm sorry I missed our Zoom today, but hopefully we will be able to get a little bit out of our lesson if you will watch the videos. So we are going to do a few problems together. Today we are dividing by multiples of 10. So hopefully it should be a little easier today as we kind of take a few baby steps into long division. So let's take a look at our notes in our first problem. So if you remember, here are our notes. They help us remember our steps. And if you were in my Zoom, I think I told those kids that I really wish I had a word that went above does. So one of my classes said that they thought we could say mom, like we're talking to mom. Mom, does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers really? Because what I want you to do is before you start any part of your problem, I want you to write out your multiples. So when we are writing out our multiples, we need to do it for our divisor. Our divisor is always on the outside of the little house. So in this particular equation, 728 divided by 60, we would write out the multiples of 60. And we can just kind of go down a line. So we would do, remember, if we're doing the multiples of 60, it's just like the multiples of 6 with adding a 0 on the end. Okay, because it is 6, but in the 10 spot. Okay, so we're going to say 120 is next. 180, 240. We're going to go until we get to 5. 5 is usually a good cutoff. You can always do more. So then 300. That would be our first 5 multiples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so remember, first we divide. So that would be 60 goes into 7. Well, we know 60 cannot go into 7 because 7 is too small. So I'm going to put an X above the 7. So then I keep looking. Does 60 go into 72? Yes, it does because it's smaller. And the way we look is we look for the 72 in our line of multiples. And it's not an actual multiple, but it is somewhere between 60 and 120. And so I always have this little saying that you want to get really close without going over. And in fact, next week, I'll show you a fun video of The Price is Right, because that's what you are, the whole key to The Price is Right. You want to get really close to the price without going over. So that's what we want to do in division. We want to get really close to what we're dividing in our multiples without going over. So that would mean I'm going to use this 60. So that is my first multiple. So that's why I'm going to put a 1 over my 72. Notice I'm putting it above the 2 because I'm dividing 72, not 7. Okay? So then we are going to multiply 1 times 60, and that is 60. I put my answer right below 72. Then we subtract. Now, I hope you are doing this with me. So I want you to be doing this problem with me as we are going through it, because on the next page, you're going to fill out the whole thing, okay? Just like I'm doing. So we're going to subtract 72 minus 60, and that would be 12. Then we check. I'm checking to make sure the difference or my answer to my subtraction problem is smaller than 60. Is 12 smaller than 60? Yes, so I can keep going. The B stands for bring. Sorry, I'm using my mouse to write and it's always kind of wonky. Bring down. I'm going to bring down my 8. okay? And then the R stands for repeat. I'm going to do everything over again. I'm going to act like my 128 is my new dividend. That's the new number I'm dividing. Okay, I'm going to start all over. So I'm going to divide. Now, remember how we looked for 72 in our multiples? Now we're going to look for 128. Well, it's really close to 120. And if we pick 120, we're not going over. So that should work. So we're going to pick 120. 120 is the second multiple. So I'm going to put a 2 above my 8. Then I'm going to multiply. 2 times 60 is 120. I'm going to subtract. If I subtract them, I will get 8 as my answer. I'm going to check. Is 8 less than 60? Yes. Then I'm going to bring down. Well, I have nothing left to bring down. I have nothing left. And then that is when my repeat turns into my remainder. 8 is my remainder. So 60 goes into 728 12 times with 8 left over. That means I can create 12 equal groups. And there will be 60 things in those 12 groups, but I will have to have 8 left over. That's the remainder. That's what the remainder means. When I split apart that 728, everything will be in a group except for 8 of them. Okay?